What's up, Fit Gamers? Joey B slash 3 here, and in this video we're going to show you a fight scene from an animated movie that's an adaptation of one of the best arcade fighting games of all time, Street Fighter 2. Chris and I worked very hard on getting this fight scene as close to frame by frame for you guys as we could, so let us know in the comments below how well we did. For now, we're just going to show you the reenactment. But coming soon, we're going to have the full fight scene breakdown episode where we go through the fight scene in slow motion step by step for you guys. So until then, be sure to share this video with your friends, like, subscribe, and enjoy this frenetic, musically charged, and at sometimes realistic fight scene from Street Fighter 2, the animated movie. As always, game on, stay fit, and keep on training.